In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a blog to your Wix website. Whether you're starting a new blog from scratch or integrating a blog into your existing website, this process is straightforward and user-friendly. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow. First, you'll want to make your way over to the Wix website editor. This is where all the exciting magic happens. You can find this by logging into your Wix account and clicking on the site you want to edit. Once you're in the editor, you're in the right place to start building your blog. Now, look for the option to add elements. In the Wix editor, elements are the building blocks of your website. You can add text, images, videos, and, of course, a blog. You should see a panel on the left-hand side of the screen where you can find these options. Once you click on Add Elements, scroll through until you find the Blog option. Clicking on this will allow you to start embedding your blog into your site. This phase might seem like a small step, but it's crucial because it brings up a range of design and structure options specifically for blogs. After selecting the blog option, you'll be prompted to choose a blog post layout. Wix provides a variety of templates and designs to match different aesthetic preferences and brand styles. Take your time to select a layout that fits the tone and feel of your website. It can always be changed later if needed. Following the layout selection, simply click on the blog to start setting it up. This will open up new menus and options where you can add your personalized content. With your frame in place, it's just about getting everything adjusted to fit your vision. Next, you'll want to focus on managing your blog posts. Click on Manage Posts within the editor. This is where you can oversee all your entries, organize them, and publish them as you see fit. Managing posts effectively is vital for keeping your content fresh and engaging for your audience. You can draft, schedule, or immediately publish posts from this section seamlessly. Now, let's talk about the importance of highlighting certain blog posts. In the Manage Posts section, you'll find an option to highlight specific entries. Doing so can draw attention to featured content you believe is particularly valuable or relevant at the moment. Finally, clicking on Settings will allow you to fine-tune the blog's look and functionality further. Perhaps you'd like to adjust the blog's colors, fonts, or navigation style. By following these steps, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate a blog into your Wix website. This can enrich your site's content strategy and offer value to your visitors. Thank you for following along, and happy blogging.